Telescopes, cameras, and eyeglasses contain lenses. Even your eyes have lenses. Really? What do lenses do? Lenses are curved, transparent objects that reflect light. You can find lenses in Blu-ray players, photocopy machines, and binoculars. Microscopes have lenses. Most lenses are circular and are made of clear glass or plastic. Many gadgets use lenses to make image clearer. Lenses are found in many sizes. Microscopes use small lenses to magnify a small object. A lens is a piece of glass or other see-through material that is curved on one or both sides. Lenses are used to bend light. This makes objects seen through a lens look bigger or smaller than they really are. Telescopes, binoculars, microscopes, cameras, and eyeglasses all have one or more lenses. A convex lens curves outward. It is thicker in the middle than at the edges. When light passes through a convex lens, the light rays bend toward each other. The rays meet at a single point on the other side of the lens. Convex lenses magnify objects or make them look larger. These lenses are used in microscopes, telescopes, and magnifying glasses. A concave lens curves inward. That means it is thinner in the middle than at the edges. When light passes through a concave lens, the light rays bend so that they spread apart. Concave lenses make objects look smaller than they really are. There are numerous uses of the concave lens, like cameras, lasers, glasses, binoculars, peepholes, etc.